Hey guys, and welcome to my first origami video. Today I'll be showing you how to make a paper crane using, I guess, origami. So, for our first step, we're going to take this piece of paper and fold it from corner to corner, like this. Just like that, and we're going to open it up. And now we're going to do it the other way. Now these are just creases that we're going to use to make the other folds later on much easier. We're kind of just shaping out for the future. So now you're going to have that, kind of like that T. Now you're going to take this, we're going to go corner to corner diagonally. Make sure everything's lined up. The more lined up it is, the better your end result will be. Open that up, and now we're just going to do that on the other side. Good. Now we have that T right here, right? So we have that T. So don't just put it into, just like this. We're going to take these two. Hold on. We're going to take these two, just like this. We're going to pinch, and we're going to fold it in to each other, just like this. We're going to pinch and fold it in. Fold it in. It should look something like this. And now we're just going to push that down, like so. So you should have these two little flaps like this, these little wings, and then the part that doesn't open up. Okay, so now the side that has the two flaps, and these flaps right here, you're going to take that side, point it towards you. Now, you're going to take one of the first flaps, and you're going to fold it into that center line that we folded in the very beginning. That's why we have to fold that first line, so we know exactly where to put this, right? Okay, now we got that. Now we're going to flip it over. We're going to do the same exact thing on the other side. So you should have kind of like a little kite. Okay? All right, now you're going to take this flap, fold it over like this, unfold it, flip it over, fold it the other way on the exact side. So, now you're going to unfold all of these parts. So now we have all those creases, right? And that's going to help us for the next fold. We would not be able to do this next fold if we did not do these folds. So we're going to take the first little flap, like this. We're going to fold it up, kind of like a little boat. I like to hold onto this part right here, and that makes it so the sides can come up. And we are just going to fold and put it just like that. Now, if you need to rewatch the video for that part, this part can be a little tricky for some people. But yeah. Alright. Now we're going to go onto the other side, and we're going to do that exact same thing on the other side. Now make sure we want to have those ends really nice and pointy, because these are going to be the feathers and the head and the tail of your bird. So we want to make sure that these are nice and pointy and nice looking, because it's just going to make your end result look much better. Nice. Alright, so we have these, kind of like these little two legs, right? These two little legs. So now we're going to take, so we have this side, these are actually going to be the wings right here. So we have the wing side, and then the leg side, these little the head and the tail. So we're going to take these, and we're going to fold this over, just like this. I'm going to take this, fold this over, like that. And we're going to do that on all four sides. And this just makes it so we can have a nice skinny tail and head. And it just gives it more detail. Okay. Fold that. So now we have these little skinny legs right here. Now this is one, there's just one more tricky part. So we're gonna fold this one up, kind of at an angle like that. Fold this one up at an angle like this. Now this is just creases so we can try to get, make the other fold that we're about to do easier. So now we're gonna flip it over and we're just gonna do the same thing on the other side. We're just trying to make this crease on this side. And this is when it gets tricky. We're gonna unfold that, we're gonna go to the side. We're gonna open up this part, we're gonna fold it in like this. Ready to go? Fold it in like this. Gotta make sure, kind of pinch it up and then pinch. And we do the same with the other side, open it up. Open, fold, pinch. We already pretty much have our bird done. So now for the next step, we're going to take this, we're just gonna crease this over, kind of just bend it, just shape it a little bit. We have our little mouth, our head. Now we're gonna open up the wings. That's the last step. We're gonna open up the wings, flip it over, and on the very bottom there's that little hole right there. You're gonna take this and you're gonna blow it up with your mouth, and you're gonna blow up the little crane. So that is how you make a crane out of origami. If you liked this video, please subscribe. I will be making more origami videos. So yeah, if you want more tips and more tutorials on how to make origami, then yeah, like and subscribe. Thank you.